guys, how are you? This is your teacher Tino and I hope you're doing great. Okay, so in this section 4 lesson 2 we're going to we're going to learn to use past perfect to describe events in the past. Kind of redundant, but yes, it is. Okay, so one way to understand past perfect is that plain and simple. Okay, so past perfect happens in the past. Past perfect happens in the past, and simple past happens or happened in the past, right? Kind of makes sense. And then past continuous happen in the past. Okay, so what is the difference between past perfect, simple past, and past continuous, and how do we use it? Well, actually, it turns out that is very, very easy. Okay, so this happened in the past, simple past and past continuous. And past perfect is happens before another activity, before any other activity in the past. And we have the examples here. But let's put it just here. I was, like if you want to use simple past, I was, like in the example, I was working out, doing exercise. I was working out and I had put my stuff in my locker. That's what it says, right? So I was working out because he's reporting it already passed. And I had put, this is past perfect. How do we know? Because this activity happened first. I had put my stuff in my locker. Then I went to work out. Okay? So that is one way to know. Now, let's say you wanted to visit me, you know, you wanted to come to my house, and maybe you got here yesterday, right? So, I visited or I went to your house yesterday, teacher Tino. I went to your house yesterday, teacher Tino. But you had left your house when I got there. When I got there. When you got where? To my house, right? To my house. When you got to my house. When you arrived to my house. Okay, so on and so forth. So it says, I went, simple past, I went to your house yesterday, teacher Tino, but you had left your house when I got there. So what activity happened first? This one. I left the house, then a few minutes, 5, 10, half an hour, you got to my house, but my activity happened first. So now, how do we make it? How do we make past perfect? Formula for past perfect, plain and simple, guys, is had plus past participle. Very important. And this one is fixed. The had is fixed. Which means that it doesn't change for he, she, or it. Example, I had left the house, or let's put it just, I had left when you got, or when you arrived, when you got to my house yesterday, right? Now, Maria had left her house when you got there. Once again, so you see, it doesn't change. It is the same for he, she, we, they, so on and so forth. Okay, guys? So very, very important. Okay? So remember how to differentiate past perfect from simple past and past continuous is that past perfect happens before them. Okay? Before them. Okay, so past perfect is an activity that happens before another activity in the past. Okay, guys? Well, thank you so much. And don't forget to practice. Don't forget to clarify any doubts that you might have. Post your question in the website. Send me an email. So on and so forth. All my information is there. You can call my office anytime. Okay. So thank you once again, and have a phenomenal night, morning, or afternoon. Okay. Bye.